In this video, we're going to take a look at sorting out a relief. So I want to smooth it basically, and I want to get rid of all of the roughness on the top of, in this example, this Pegasus. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to turn off what we call the base plane, so this flat area. So if I rotate around, you can see that I've got this flat area. So if I click here to draw zero plane, I can toggle that on or off. So it just shows me the relief. Now, if I want to smooth this out, there's a tool that will do a global smoothing on this. So if we come up to here to smooth relief, you can do this over the whole layer within a selected vector or a selected color. Now, this is a real-time tool. So if I zoom in and rotate around, let's say there, and I change the strength, it will update in real time. Now, this is completely dependent on the type of graphics card that you have, because it's using the graphics card to calculate this. So if I move it, let's say to there, you can see that it started smoothing this out. And I can just keep on moving it until I feel happy that this has smoothed out properly. So if let's say I'm happy with that, then what I can do is select apply. Now, once I click apply, it's applied it to the model, and it then adds this strength again. So what I need to do is select cancel to come out of the tool. And that's how you smooth a relief. So if I turn on the zero plane, you can see that I've now got quite a smooth looking relief.